Hello and welcome to my new channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing because I'll be posting more and more content on digital marketing and how to make money online. Boom, let's go. Today I'm going to show you how to check your Helb loan status by phone. So I'm going to sign in using Chrome browser to Helb student portal. Login. The first link, studentsportal.help.co.ke. I'm going to sign in here. This is where you enter your email, enter your password, and then you log in to your portal. So first of all, while you've entered this page, you make sure when you're using Chrome, make sure you use desktop site so that you can view all the content displayed on this page, because without doing so you may not see the full content in this page. So we are going to my loans, click my loans, then here you will see loan status, academic year, serial number, product name, undergraduate. So this is just a portal for first year, year 2022-2023. So you click view details. So here now you will see how your loan was distributed from verification stage, disbursement, allocation, disbursement, then the time they will pay to your bank account. So this is just a portal for first year, year 2022-2023. Those who applied and they were not granted any the funds, so it's so unfortunate. But if you are affected, please consider applying subsequent early when the portal opens again for the year 2023-2024. Those who missed Helb loan the previous year, please you will be considered in the next academic year, of which is 2024. You see that this account, the loan was just allocated and then the loan was cancelled. So if you are affected, Helb disbursement board just cancelled these loans last week before I made this video, so that to allow all the second years, third years and fourth years to apply for subsequent loan when the portal opens next time. If you found this content informative, please support us by smashing the subscribe button, like and share our video. See you in my next video.